In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. You can get all 28 cap breakers using a working 2K26 locker code. This is a secret code that I managed to find that you simply redeem in-game, and it is going to supply you with all 28 cap breakers. Not many people know there are even 28 available because some are super difficult to get. So before I show you this, I'm doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving tons of VC gift codes to people who like this video and subscribe. So simply like and subscribe to be entered into that giveaway. And let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get all 28 cap breakers in NBA 2K26. So as you can see, I recommend you use your mobile phone to obtain your locker code. So you need to open up the internet browser and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, Crash Coupons. You can pause the video and copy that down. If you haven't seen this website before, you are missing out, guys, because they actually have hundreds of different codes for loads of different games, and I've been using these for NBA 2K26 locker codes. They have a few different codes on this page, so you just need to search for it. And if you scroll down, you can get a bunch of different things, including VC, but this is the cap breakers code. This is gonna get all 28 cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26. Apologies for my cough. So yeah, you just need to follow the instructions that I'm showing you guys. It's going to take you a few minutes, around 5 to 10 minutes, but it is well worth it considering this is going to get you all 28, which is super difficult. So you need to unlock your personal code. That is because there's 500 codes, so they are like limited, I guess. So it does stop people getting more than one code per person. So click on get full code. And all you got to do is follow the instructions on this page here, guys. Long story short, you just got to complete 2 of the free tasks on this page. And these are really easy things like installing mobile apps, doing free surveys, stuff, playing games, stuff like that. So you just got to make sure you read the description. Like this one, enter your details to win a MacBook Air. So this is a free survey, I'd classify it as. So you just basically answer a question and input some valid info. So yeah, that one is 100% free. So you just input some information, and that one is going to be complete once you do that. So yeah, just make sure you do follow the instructions, complete 2 of them, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons. And your 2K26 locker code for all cap breakers will be revealed in this box. And then you simply redeem it in game. And that is how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for that giveaway. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, yeah, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.